You may not think you have enough space to grow a beautiful garden, but there's some ways that you can actually achieve this that may be a little surprising to you. For instance, here, this is a garden where we have 4 raised beds, and in them you cannot believe the amount of produce you can produce in a single growing season. Of course, if you don't have space to plant directly in the ground, containers are an obvious choice. What I like to do is use larger containers, not smaller containers, and I like to use them in groupings. You can get some real visual impact. Containers are also very handy for tucking into tight spaces, and of course you can move them around, so you have some flexibility. Now let's move on to growing things on the vertical. Growing vines on posts, like I've done here, can make an interesting vertical element. Also, using cattle panels to grow vines on can add visual interest to a garden. And if you're really feeling ambitious and love to prune, you might grow some trees in the espalier form. This one is called cordon, where apples grow on it, and the candelabra form is classic, and here you can see pears growing. Lastly, think of dwarf-type shrubs. They're more compact and work great in small spaces. For instance, take this hydrangea. This one's called little lime. It's the smaller version of limelight hydrangea, which is so popular and does so well in sunny areas. You see, plant breeders have been busy to make sure that these plants are perfect for areas with limited space. I hope some of these ideas help you create the perfect garden.